Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to remove recently played songs on Spotify. Stick with me till the end and let's jump right into it. Now when you open up your Spotify on your home screen, you'll be able to see all of the songs that you recently played. Now there is no option to remove it completely, but there are a few settings that you can manage. Firstly, from the home screen of your Spotify, tap on the settings icon on the top right and scroll down until you find an option of social right here, and under social you'll have an option of private sessions. Now it says start a private session to listen anonymously, so it means that whenever you turn on this option and whenever you play any songs on your Spotify account, other people won't be able to see your recently played list. You can easily toggle this option on, and there you go. Now the thing that you need to know is recently played songs will still be visible from your account but won't be visible from other people's account. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.